In this video, I'll be showing you how you can order food in your Grab application. As you can see, this is the main interface of Grab. So when you scroll a little, you will see all these features. For example, is you can order directly to these restaurants. And when you click a store, you will see all the available menu that you can avail from. Also, you can try ordering lunch from these places. So how to order foods on different stores or how to order them directly? You just need to head back to the home and then click the food here. Now select the restaurant or the place that you want to order from. For example, is the Big Brew. And then just select the food or the drinks that you want to avail. For example, is this. Then select the add-ons and the size of your order. Now click the add to basket and then click the back button here. So let's head back to food and then click this basket icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And here you will see all the food that you added to your basket. Now let's click this in order for us to order it. Here you just have to input your address, your delivery option, and also your payment method. You can either pay using your card or using your cash. And you can also add offers or the promo codes. So once done, you just need to click the place order and that's it. You just ordered a food in Grab, and that's how you can order food in Grab. And thank you for listening.